Hi friends, I'm Vivek Taneja from 10 Global Services. Now we are going to start our new session that is regarding Ubuntu installation. And these are the steps we have to follow to install Ubuntu. As you can see at your screen, all these steps are mentioned at our site www.10globalservices.com. Firstly, we need to download the ISO file from Ubuntu site, or you can also download from this link. The next step is to create bootable drive by using the Rufus software. These are the steps we need to follow to create bootable drive. After creating the bootable drive, we need to boot our server from this USB drive. And this is the installation process. We need to follow the instructions during the installation, like language selection, keyboard layout, storage configuration, server types selection, and network configuration. These are the steps we need to follow to complete this installation. This is the profile setup. Here we can mention over the user details, server details, and passwords. This is a open SSH server. This option is to enable remote access to our server. And these are the optional packages you can select after installation itself. Actual installation process got started, and after the completing installation process, installer prompt to reboot your server. You have to reboot your server after plugged out your USB bootable drive. Now the installation has been completed, and you can see at your screen. Okay, thank you for watching, and the full details you can follow our video link. Thank you for watching.